I've never been just one thing. And honestly, I'm done trying to fit into a box. I'm star, I'm a creator, a gymnast, a meditator, a maker, spiritual being, and that's just this week. I've always had a lot of passions, and for a long time I thought it was a problem. Everyone kept telling me to niche down, pick a lane, choose one thing. But the truth is, I'm not here to flatten myself or be more digestible. I'm here to show up as all of me. On this channel, you'll see daily spiritual downloads, my sewing journey, all the art that I create with my hands, resin, painting, whatever flows through me, my meditations, nature rituals, movement practices, and the behind the scenes of me living a fully creative, multidimensional life. Also, side note, I made these shorts that I'm wearing right now because yes, I sew my own clothes, true, just casually wearing my creativity on camera. I live in Hawaii, and a huge part of my life is connecting to the land and the ocean and my own rhythm here on this island. I love traveling and going to music festivals and planning camping trips, especially solo ones. And sometimes I'll share those moments too. Because to me, that's part of what it means to live a multi-dimensional life. It's not just about the creating, it's about living fully. So if you've ever felt like you don't fit into one box, this space is for you. You don't have to pick one thing. You're allowed to be all of you. Subscribe and stay a while, and let's build this beautiful life together. I'm Star, and this is my multi-dimensional journey. Blessings.